How you doing, guys? Tyler. Uh, Unfortunately, I don't think we're gonna be able to FaceTime, so I figured the next best thing we could do, or I could do for you, is take a video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a video tour of this unit, and if you guys have any questions about anything I might not have covered or anything you wanted a little bit more details in, I can obviously take more videos for you guys. But this is where we're gonna start from. All right, so to start it off, we'll go over the top bunk right here. Right when you walk in, obviously you can remove this part or you can leave it in. Removing it out obviously allows you guys to get in and out of the cab a lot easier. But when it is in, you obviously can see you have a full bed, right? You do have a TV here as well. This TV does come out on the stand just like that. So obviously no matter where you're sitting, if you're on the actual fold out, if you're on the dinette, or if you're in the bedroom, you're still going to be able to watch the television. You still have cup holders and things up here too, so if you do have grandkids or just the sons and daughters or whatever the case would be, they'd be able to kind of come up here and relax, and it's a cool little hangout spot. So come over here, you do have your Connex. It is able to pair with any device. You have your TV plugins back here. Do have some overhead cabinet storage. Plugins. So you do have plenty of storage over the top of this. These are the one-touch shades, very easy, and they obviously give you a better demonstration. All right, and then with the sofa, like I was saying, does have cup holders there too as well, but see if I can get this to work. That actually might work. All right, so what we can do, we can actually fold this out. Has seat belts, obviously a very large bed as well. You guys can kind of see, pretty large bed there. Up real quick. Alright. And then when it comes to the actual dinette, dinette does fold down into a bed as well. That is a super dinette because it does have the access all the way around. It is a U shape, if you will. Again, the one-touch blinds, little place you put the electronics. You do have twin sinks here, which is very nice. You can obviously do the dirty and clean dishes and wash your hands or whatever the case is, multi-use. 3-burner stove top with a backsplash as well. So obviously this backsplash, you guys can be frying things, and instead of getting it over this nice back splash, besides the actual backsplash, you just wipe that down really easily, right? You do have a microwave and a convection oven all in one, right? More storage underneath here. Obviously you can put a little trash can. It does have a little spot right here that actually pops out, and just an additional area for the kitchen. This little contraption right here is a wireless charging. So basically you literally just put your phone there, and I know you guys can't see, but that does charge your phone. It's pretty neat. Obviously you're sitting here in the kitchen and so on and so forth. Alright, moving on into the, actually we'll look at the fridge too. Probably should show you the fridge. This is a residential fridge. Very large, stainless steel obviously. Plenty of storage. Since it is residential, it does only go off of electric. It does not go off of both. You also have a very large pantry. Very large. It's a 10-foot fridge, so it kind of gives you an idea of the So, onto the actual bathroom. You have very deep cabinets there. I'm about 6'1", 6'2", so I mean that kind of gives you an idea of how deep those cabinets are. Again, more there. The other little mesh cover on the sink, unusual, but I like it. And you got the mirrors right there. You do have two ways to separate this. One, you can separate it with this door, so then obviously you have a door separating the cabin from the back. But then additional, since there is only one bathroom, if you do have guests during the nighttime, you have this little shade that can obviously shade it off for you guys. It'll allow you to obviously have privacy if you do have guests. Coming into the bathroom, a little footlight down there too. Again, the white touch blinds. It does have the inside door that is antifreeze, not Kool-Aid. Skylight, very large skylight, which is pretty cool. But everything, the door stays inside of the track, so you never have to worry about water getting on the outside, which is definitely a plus. So, a little bit of a hanging rack on the back there too. Bedroom, right? Cabinets above. You do have a place where you can put obviously phones and cords. Plug in. You have reading lights on both sides too. Window on the back. Like I said, you do have that that separator. TV obviously right here as well. And like I said, you can still see the one up front too. This is a closet door. Obviously opens and closes. Mirror, mirror, and then obviously a whole bunch of drawers and dresser and drawers. So, hanging rack on the back as well. So, yeah, if you guys have any questions, any more questions, or actually here, let me. I should probably run outside. Generator does work as well. This is your access to your battery, everything, black, gray. Generator, like I said, does work. And obviously 0.1 hours. So take you outside real quick. Sorry, everything's locked. We're going out the drive door. Oh, this is the front. I could probably show you the cab too. You have a very large touchscreen surround system. This is removable as well, so you could remove this in and out because it is a bit larger, but obviously moving down the road, you got plenty of cup holders and storage. Outside real quick. Whoa! Alright, so we get outside. Not sure how many of these are locked, but some storage underneath there. This one is locked. These are locked. Alright. But alright, so this is where your black tank and gray tank flush would be. You also have an outdoor shower right there, your city water connect and freshwater connect as well. Obviously making it pretty convenient. That's actually inside of the coach. You don't have to be running hoses from the outside. It's all going to be contained. Come over here. Got some pass-through storage. Obviously, that's a plastic material, so you can put anything wet inside of there, and it's not going to get moldy or mildew or anything like that. This is where you can put the hoses at. You just take this cap off like that. It does have a walkable roof as well. The other side of the pass-through, the awning, and then you have your water heater right here. Should be a little bit more storage right there, right, and And then propane tank. And this should be our TV. Cool. Perfect. So, like I said, guys, if you guys have any other questions, if there's anything I didn't really cover, I'm trying to think. Got the tread life here too, obviously barely worn. What else am I thinking of? I guess if one of the, just more storage in there. The generator, I can show you the generator. Let me find the exhaust. Almost positive it's a Cummins. Alright, there's the exhaust. It does feel like it's a lot, so I should be able to show you. Okay. Alright, there we go. Alright. There's an Onan QG 4000 Cummins. Yeah, top of the line generator as well. So, again, if you guys have any more questions, this was one of the, I think this is the third time I've done this, so hopefully I covered everything. If you guys have any questions at all, do not hesitate to ask. You have my personal number, and you have access to it. And yeah, if you guys, this is enough information for you guys to take the next step and move forward, fantastic. Let me know, give me a call. I'll start doing things accordingly, and then we'll go from there. Yeah, hope you guys have a great rest of the day. Stay safe out there.